Good afternoon guys, so welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, si Kuya Agustin Adventure. Guys, I'm here now in Western Bakery New Road. So now I want to go to Medina City, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Medina and Khaybar. So ngayon kalalabas na natin guys dun sa planta. Shout out to my friend Gana, because he said yesterday he talked to me because he asking me to can speak in little English, because he telling me he cannot understand Tagalog language. Para daw sa ganun makakuha daw siya ng idea sa aking dinadaanan na pagdideliveran. Dahil siya ay bago pa lang driver. So ang sabi sa akin, wala daw siyang YouTube channel, pero nakikita niya raw ako na napapanood niya daw ako. Na at isa pa naka-subscribe daw siya sa aking YouTube channel. So thank you so much my friend Gana. Thank you so much for your subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kuya Agustin Adventure. So I'm here now in Western Bakery Road going to Medina and Khaybar. Ito guys, ang ating dinadaanan ngayon, t-shirto na naman guys, t-shirto na naman. Pagpasensyahan ninyo guys yung English Carabao ko, kasi alam nyo naman hindi tayo Amerikano para mag-expert tayo mag-English. Kung nahirapan kayo umintindi sa aking pag-English, lalo ako nahirapan dahil sa pagsasalita ng English. So, common sense na guys. So, ngayon, ang ating biyahe ngayon ay malayo na naman to. Ang departure natin dito ay alas 3 ng afternoon in military time 1500. So I arrival tomorrow afternoon there in 1500. Tomorrow afternoon I arrival there in Medina Depot. And after that, after unloading their Medina Depot, and then second deliver there in Khaybar. And after unloading Khaybar, back to Medina Depot. And after unloading their depot again, and then go to CPP. This trip is maybe 3 days. 3 days this one trip. Ayun. Malakas yung hangin dito guys sa labas. Kaya malakas yung ugong ng hangin habang tayo nananagpo. So yung truck natin na full tank ang diesel nito. Shout out to all my friend here in driver in Almaray Gornata site. Shout out to all of you to assign here in CPP. So don't worry my friend, I will speak in English, little only, little English. But please, can you understand my language, English, because we cannot expert to speak in English. Okay, okay. Shout out to sa lahat ng ating mga co-driver dito sa Almaray na taga-farming, lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino. Shout out sa inyo lahat. Kita yung mag-iingat sa ating pagbibiyahe, lalong-lalo na sa ating kalusugan. Kapag may naramdaman, check up agad. Galaw-galaw para hindi may stroke. By the way guys, by the way, ito pala yung damit ngayon na bagong issue ni Almaray na binigay kahapon, kinuha ko kahapon sa dispatch. Thank you so much Almaray Company for your gift here in my t-shirt. This is Tag Almaray Tag. Thank you so much management here in Gurnata side, Almaray Company for giving this Christmas t-shirt. Ito, maganda. Very nice, nice. Nice t-shirt. Double XL. Thank you so much for your gift Christmas to all employee of Almaray Gurnata side. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much. And God bless you all.